Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
Emily? Is that really you?
Jake? Oh my gosh, it's been ages.
I can't believe it. How long has it been? 3 years.
4, actually. Time flies, huh?
Yeah, it really does. You look different in a good way.
Thanks. You haven't changed much. Still the same Jake I remember.
Well, except for the beard, maybe.
Yeah, I noticed that. So, how have you been?
Busy, work, life. You know how it is. What about you?
Pretty much the same. Moved to the city. New job. It's been hectic.
I always knew you'd end up in the city. You were meant for big things.
You too. So, what brings you back here?
Just visiting family. Thought I'd walk around the old neighborhood.
Same here. I miss this place.
Remember when we used to hang out at the park after school?
Of course, that old bench is still there.
We spent hours talking about everything and nothing.
Yeah, those were the days. No worries, no stress.
Do you ever miss it?
Sometimes, but life moves on, doesn't it?
True. Still, it's nice to look back.
Yeah, we had some good times.
Speaking of good times, remember that trip to the lake?
How could I forget? You almost fell in.
Hey, it wasn't my fault. You dared me to climb that rock.
And you actually did it. I was so sure you wouldn't.
Well, I couldn't back down in front of you,
You were always so competitive.
and you loved challenging me.
I guess I did. It kept things interesting.
So, any big plans these days?
Not really. Just focusing on work for now.
Same here, but I'm thinking of taking a trip soon.
Where to?
Maybe Europe. I've always wanted to explore.
That sounds amazing. You should definitely go.
What about you? Any travel plans?
I wish. Maybe next year.
We should plan a trip together sometime.
That would be fun. Just like old times.
Yeah, we could relive those carefree days.
I think we'd appreciate it more now.
You're right. Life's different when you're older.
But in a good way, I think.
Yeah, we've both grown a lot.
Still, it's nice to reconnect.
I missed this. Talking to you.
Same here. We always had such great conversations.
It feels like no time has passed.
Exactly. It's like we're back in high school.
Except now, we're a little wiser.
Hopefully.
Do you think we'll keep in touch this time?
I hope so. Let's not let another 4 years go by.
Deal. No more disappearing acts.
Agreed. We've got too much to catch up on.
Like, what's your favorite movie now?
Still, Pride and Prejudice. You?
Still, The Dark Knight. Some things don't change.
Yeah, some things never do.
Comment your feedback, like and subscribe our channel.